Hey friends, subscribe to my channel Supermom Styles and press the bell button to see my latest video first.
Here I'll show you two ways to make sprouts. Sprouts are loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, dietary fiber and other nutrients. Let's see how to make sprouts at home with easy steps. Here I am taking Moong, chana and Moth beans. Wash thoroughly with water to clean impurities. Sprouts are good for weight loss, boosts skin health, improve heart health and has many other benefits. Add 4 to 5 times water than quantity of beans. There has to be enough water to soak. After 8 to 10 hours, beans will double the size, like so. Drain excess water from the beans. Eat sprouts daily or alternate day. Sprouts are far more beneficial when eaten raw. Take a ventilated vessel like this so that beans can breathe and sprout. And cover the beans with thin wet cloth. And sprinkle water if required. It's been 30 hours and more, and now you can see the sprouts. And the second method is keeping the beans in microwave. It gets proper warm in microwave. We get nice sprouts in less time than regular. Thanks for watching.